If you are like 99% of traders, you are probably glued to the charts all day. You're taking multiple trades, jumping from one setup to another and thinking more trades equals more profits. But what if I told you that the real secret to becoming profitable is actually in trading less? Yes, I know, it sounds counterintuitive, but in this video I'm going to flip your mindset and show you how taking fewer and higher quality trades can really transform your results. Hey everyone, I'm Dave, founder of the Trading Hunters community and official trading coach in the Higher Trader, and trader with the over 10 years experiences. I have pulled up more than 100k from the prop firms and made over 450k on the personal profits. And trust me, I didn't do it by trading all day, every day. I was trading less by focusing on higher probability setups and following strict and mechanical trading process I teach inside my trading academy. So let's get into the mindset shift you need to make today. Quality over quantity. If I told you you are allowed to take only 5 trades per month, what would you do differently? You'd be more selective. You'd cut out all the emotional and impulsive maybe trades. You would wait for that perfect setup that aligns with your plan and your strategy and bias. And this is the shift. Most traders are chasing the markets, constantly trying to be in some position. But in trading, the money doesn't go to the busiest trader. It goes to the most disciplined one. You are not paid to trade. You are paid to wait and then strike when the odds are stacked in your favor. The discipline gap. Let's be real. Most traders today have no discipline. They are jumping from strategy to strategy, looking for the perfect setup without actually sticking to the plan. They think they are progressing because they are learning a new setup, but they are really just hoping, not building anything consistent. Discipline isn't sexy, but it's powerful. If all you did was take one trade per week, a trade that ticks every box in your system, in your trading plan, you probably will be more profitable than the 90% traders out there. Track everything. Here is what separates pros from the amateurs. Journaling. If you don't journal, you are not learning, period. I repeat that all the time, and that's why I provide my personal journal tied to the CLS strategy to everyone who joins the Trading Hunters community. This is something we push to do every trader at least once per week, if not journaling immediately your trades. So again, you should be tracking your entry, stop, targets, time frames, emotions, and of course taking the screenshots. Without the data, how do you know that something working? How do you improve? So this is necessary, and trust me, whatever strategy you will be ever trading in your life, if you will not be doing this, you will never succeed. Build a mechanical strategy. Forget feelings, forget this looks good. You need a mechanical strategy, one that's backtested, forward tested, and simple enough to repeat again and again. Only that way you can measure its performance, improve it, tweak it. And that's why I teach the simple CLS strategy, which is built around a liquidity sweeps, market manipulations by the market makers, and precise entries, model number 1 after the sweep, and model number 2, which is a pullback on the 61.8. And that's it. You pick one model, you master it, you repeat it. Simple, scalable, powerful. That's it. Risk management isn't optional, especially if you're trying to pass prop firm challenges. You need to know your daily drawdown, your maximum loss per trade, your win rate, and your risk reward. This isn't emotional, it's a math. If you are just randomly adjusting risk based on how you feel, you are not trader, but you are gambler. Treat trading like a business. And now some final words. So here is what I want you to take from this video. You don't need more trades. You don't need better trade. You need discipline, structure, and mechanical system that you can trust. And to believe it and execute without a hesitation, you need to do backtesting. You need to see at least 100 examples, and you can do that in the backtesting or in the journaling, even the trades you didn't take. And for that, you need to have a powerful journal, which I will provide you. So if what I have told you in this video hit home, you are ready to level up, and check the descriptions. You will find the links to join Trading Hunters Discord, and it's a free to start, and we have full section dedicated to the education, journaling, and sharing a real setups. And if you want to learn a CLS strategy in full, that's also linked down here. So hit the like if this shifted your mindset and if you like trading. Subscribe if you are serious about mastering trading, and I see you in the next video.